Good day everybody, this is Peter from RV Finders again, right, coming here from Christchurch today, a beautiful autumn day, and today we've got another great looking motorhome in the background for you, and it is the Nexxo T740 2015 model, and this motorhome is totally immaculate, and I'll show you in a couple of minutes what it looks like on the outside and inside, so please follow me. The Burstner Nexxo T740 is powered by a 2.3 litre Fiat motor. It's 130 horsepower, and it has got this beautiful Sovereign range that they brought in a couple of years ago, and it is totally in great nick, this motorhome. You can see it's got a 4.5 meter awning, it's got the toilet cassette, and then also a nice really big garage door and big bedroom windows. So the garage door I'll show you in a moment when that's open, and then it's got the two-lay sport bike rack in the back. It's got twin reverse cameras, so it's a dual camera, so it shows 24/7 at the back, traffic behind you, and as well when you put it in reverse it shows the reverse camera showing at the back and also where the bike racks are. And you've got a 2 9 kg gas bottle compartment here. You've got your fresh water and your diesel. Really a nice looking motorhome in really great shape, great condition. 15-inch alloy rims, and also the bit of extra like the LED date running lights as well as the ones that's in the headlamps. So the Burstner Nexxo T740. Let's go inside and then you can have a better look of the layout of this popular motorhome. Burstner is a great rubbish bin built into the door. It's got a wide extra large door with a fly screen door that I will show you in a moment. You can see, really great feature for the west coast, sand flies and all the insects. Then we've got this really nice spacious lounge where the seats swivel around. You've got the multimedia entertainment system in the front. As you can see, really nice, great view. That is your monitor for the rear view camera. And then you've got this beautiful skylights in this motorhome, which really gives it a sense of openness, space, natural light coming in. So you've got the television here, it's a 19-inch. Just pull it down like there. It's got a DVD player, and it's got also the Sky Card reader built in, so it's got a manual Sky Card manual operation. Just want to basically get the table out for you. So the table can remove, it's actually a 2+1 berth, so 2+1 berth where the table drops down. You can make a bed in this area, and then you've got the lovely cupboards on the top, as you can see, really nice. You've got a full-size 160 litre fridge, freezer combination, and also another cupboard on the top. And then it's got this very nice pull-out pantry. I'll show you in a moment. We've got the little oven and a grill down here, and there you can see the pull-out pantry. If the light comes back on, really great. And even a little space there for your coffee machine. You've got the fridge freezer, and you've got this privacy door that you can actually close off, as you can see the whole rest of the motorhome. So at night time you just actually close the door and go to bed. You don't need to, with this really great island bed, memory foam mattress. You've got storage underneath here, and in the photos you could see that you can basically just lift up the bed and you've got ample of storage underneath the bed. A lot of people like the features of this motorhome because it's got the separate toilet and shower. So you got your toilet, really beautiful. There you can see the satellite dish, wine guard, and your big shower that acts as a drawing room as well. And there's more points there if you want to put another TV in the bedroom. There's connections there as well as the Truma heating function. And as you can see, really great, nice, spacious 2+1 berth, but yeah, easily can travel 4 safety belts, so it can travel 4 people. So this, everybody, is the Burstner Nexxo T740. Please have a look on Facebook and also on Trade Me to find out more on how you can make this your next dream motorhome. Thank you and goodbye.